Once you've logged your births, deaths and movements, they will appear here on your connected BCMS-CTS homepage. To then process the registrations for your birth, deaths and movements, select the event that you want to process. Here I'm going to show you how to do the births. Tap the births events to see all of the births that are ready to register. Anything in green has not been processed, and anything in red that's pending needs the receipt to be checked to make sure there's no missing details and that the registrations have been accepted. First of all, let's check any animals that have any incomplete information. Down here you can see that this animal has red writing at the bottom saying incomplete information. We can tap the animal card to open it, and we can see the information that's missing is the dam ID. To remedy this, we can go to the top of the screen and tap the animal card again, and we'll be taken to the animal summary page. We can press the action button and go to the animal details to add in the dam. Tap the plus button next to the dam field to add a dam from iLivestock, or type in a dam visual ID of your choice. Here I'm going to select a dam from iLivestock, and I'm also going to add a sire as well. I'm going to hit save here at the top of the screen, and now I'm going to go back to my registrations page, and you'll see now that error has cleared and there's no information that's missing, and we can go back. So now I want to process the registrations that haven't gone through, so I can select the selector tool here in the top right hand corner to make the animal selectable. I can select the page, and I can select register births down here at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up appears and you can press confirm to go ahead with the registration. These have also now moved into a pending state, and you'll see there's a pending registrations option here. Tap the pending registrations options and you'll see here you've got a receipt number for 2 animals that were submitted on the 14th of May at 15:23, and you've also got a receipt for animals that were submitted on the 14th of May at 15:03. Open the receipts to check them, and then tap the check registration to see whether it's been accepted or not. Any animals that are not accepted will come back, and the error will show in red, so that you can then amend the data that's missing. And you can do that in exactly the same way that I showed you with the animal with the missing data. Once your registrations have been processed and accepted, they will then appear in your successful section, and just scroll down. Your last movement will sit at the top, whether that's a birth, a death or a movement, and you'll see a successful movement looks like this. It will have approved on it, it'll have the date that it was approved and the time, and a transaction ID. If you click into the individual animal, you'll also see it has a validated birth receipt at the end of the animal summary page. And that's how you can process births.